It up a little, Calissa, so you don't hit the balloon.
Okay. Yes! Come on, guys! You guys just hit each other with power. Alright, yeah!
Oh man, Michelle and I, we need to do the song. Yeah. Yeah, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening.
I want to do Mary Had a Little Lamb.
No, this one first.
We got other people up there. We got Haley.
I know, we're talking about when we do
I
this.
know whoever's up next should do Mary Had a Little Lamb.
No, Bailey and I went to do Get the Party Break after this.
Michelle and I are gonna go after Bailey and you. Come on, close, put some muscle in it.
You
She's
never
doing good.
Or is there anybody you should know?
She's gone to Tabata.
Oh, yeah, she did.
You know how much weight we lose from doing this? We do it like all day, every day.
I know. We're going to get it.
Yeah.
Power? Yes.
Roll the neck, go.
Roll the neck. Oh, well.
Next ladies meeting, you need to bring this.
You know, Miss Chrissy was so
Oh, I know.
The only songs you do is Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or Twinkle Twinkle. Well, there's another kitty.
Hickory Dickory Dock.
Well, Fraggle Rock, what was
I
that?
don't know. We should do. Surely we could do. I don't know. Rocks in it.
Oh, well, that's true.